Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G72 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this phone. First we need to open the quick panel on our phone. You can do it by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, so once and twice, like this. Once you open the quick panel, you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list or through the pages of the quick panel. And on one of the pages, you should see the battery saver icon. To enable the power saving mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on turn on, and the icon will change the color. It will say on, and also the battery icon will change the color right here. This means that the power saving mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, go to the page, next page, find the battery saver icon, tap on it, it will say off, the icon will change the color to gray, and this battery icon will return to normal, which means that the power saving mode is disabled. You can also open the quick panel, press and hold on the battery saver icon to go to the battery settings, and here we have the option called battery saver. Tap on it, and here we can enable or disable the power saving mode. We can tap on set a schedule to make a schedule for the battery or power saving mode. So we can tap on based on percentage and set the percentage to our liking. So for example, if we set it to something like 20%, and when the battery reaches the 20% or below, the power saving mode will turn on automatically. And if it reaches above, because you're charging it, it will turn off automatically. That's how it works. And next option is turn off when charged, basically, and you can enable it or disable it. And then we can close the settings. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.